Hello friend, you know that we are running a series for English spoken classes, and in earlier videos we have seen some of the basic part. If you want to understand this video, you should watch the earlier videos also. In very early video we have seen is, am, are, how those is, am, are used in assertive, negative and interrogative sentences. Then after we have seen was, were, these two to be forms are used in past tense, and in today's video we are going to deal with shall be and will be and how these two helping forms are used in future tense. So I have written some of the sentences on the board and we will going to explain it and we will see it in detail. See, so today we are dealing with shall be and will be. These two helping forms are used in future tense, right? I have, as usual, I have written 7 subjects on the board and we need to make a division between shall and will. So what happened, see, in earlier trend it was fashion to use I shall, we shall, because this is first person singular and this is also first person plural. But in modern English or the recent English, we can use will before all the subjects, right? And that's why it is easy again to use will be in future tense. So see, I have written already sentence I will be a doctor in future. I will be a doctor in future, right? Means भविष्यामध्ये मी डॉक्टर असेल. We will be there at college at 11 AM. 11 वाजता आपण कॉलेजला असू. You will be my business partner. Perhaps in future, you will be my business partner. He will be your follower. तो तुझा follower असेल. She will be a staunch supporter to you. Staunch supporter, a very strong supporter. She will be a staunch supporter to you. It will be an important class tomorrow. Means tomorrow's class will be important, like that. They will be here in no time. They will be here in no time, like that. In this way, we may write, we may speak affirmative sentence by using shall be or will be. Better use will be before all 7 subjects here, right? Now we will deal with the negative sentences. See how negative sentences are made. Now we will write only one sentence among 7 and we will try to understand affirmative, negative, interrogative, interrogative plus negative. See here, we will take the sentence of this particular subject you. For example, I write, you will be my business partner. This is affirmative sentence, right? Now how the negative sentence is written? You will not be my business partner, or the short form of will not is won't. You need to pronounce this word as a won't, right? So you won't be my business partner. Interrogative. See how I told you already how to make interrogative sentence, simply by taking helping verb at the initial part of the sentence. Then sentence should be kept as it is. So in this way we can make interrogative sentence, particularly verbal. For example, here Will is helping form, that's why we will write will you be my business partner. Will you be my business partner in future? तू माझा बिझनेस पार्टनर भविष्यामध्ये बनशील का? So this is interrogative question. Will you be a great supporter to me? Will you be a doctor? Will your younger brother be an engineer, etc. In this way, will you be a king? But here in this particular structure, don't use main verb again. For example, will you come to me? Will you give me a pen? These are also the correct sentences, but recently in today's structure, we don't have to take main verb. We have to take will and be, etc. So see how we can write interrogative plus negative. Won't you be my business partner? Won't you be my business partner? तू माझा बिझनेस पार्टनर बनशील नाही का, होणार नाही का, etc. So in this way we can make affirmative sentence. You will be my business partner. तू माझा बिझनेस पार्टनर असशील, बनशील. You won't be my business partner. तू माझा बिझनेस पार्टनर होणार नाही, बनशील नाही. Will you be my business partner? तू माझा बिझनेस पार्टनर बनशील का? Won't you be my business partner? तू माझा बिझनेस पार्टनर बनणार नाही का? In this way we can write sentences in this particular structure. So for practice, for you people, you may write more and more sentences in this structure. You write down 7 sentences first affirmative, then different 7 sentences negative, and different 7 sentence interrogative, and different 7 subject verbal means interrogative plus negative, and in this way you people have to follow. So friend, in this way we have seen in today's structure how to use shall be or will be, and better use will be, as it is modern trend to use will be in all the 7 subjects, right? So right from earlier videos, first, second, thirds, up till here we have seen only basic part of the language, and if you are a novice learner, a new learner, it is very important for you to study all these structures. Therefore use as much as sentences in your daily life. Write down few sentences at your home, and then after speak out some of the sentence to your friends, to your partner, to your mother, father. So, share this video, like this video, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you.